Blenders make it easy to get yourself that quick, refreshing drink in a matter of seconds. Even if you don't use it specifically for cooking, a blender is handy to have in your kitchen. If you're wondering what the best blender is for the money, keep in mind that the answer is mostly dependent on how often you use the appliance. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. Let's start our list with the Vitamix 7500 blender. It features a 64-ounce low-profile container to help you make large batches of your favorite meals, all while fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. Also, it comes with a tamper designed to help process thick, stubborn blends, so you don't have to stop the machine to scrape the sides. Adjust the speed during the blend to achieve a variety of textures, or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed and watch it self-cleaning in 60 seconds or less. No disassembly required. Moreover, its 10 variable rates allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. Additionally, it offers a spill-proof lid with removable insert for easy pouring or tamping, and has a 2.2 peak horsepower motor that propels blades to blend the toughest ingredients. Next up on the list, we have the Ninja BL450, BL456. It provides you with powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction performance to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. It has 900 watts of professional power that breaks down fruits and vegetables for nutrient-rich juices on the go. Also, the blades break down whole fruits and vegetables, as well as ice, for better availability of nutrients in every beverage you make. It includes 18 and 24-ounce cups for easy transport and storage. Moreover, it uses a combination of power and blade speeds to create healthy, ultra-smooth, blended drinks at any time. The next product on the list is the Cuisinart HP 2050. This immersion hand blender comes with 12 speeds, and its turbo function blends endless culinary delicious. Its 800-watt powerful, low-noise, heavy-duty copper core motor handles varied blending tasks effectively. It has a sturdy stainless steel body housing with 5 feet extra long power cord, bell-shaped blending head, and S-shaped blade to reduce splatter. Moreover, the ergonomic handle provides smooth, one-handed operation. The blade of the stainless steel wand is coated with titanium for increased longevity, strength, and reduced friction. The wand works with an included pitcher, which holds 20 ounces and has a splash guard lid, and the wand is supposed to blend the content through the lid. The Ninja BL660 blender has 1,100 watts of professional performance power with 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. Its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. With 1,100 watts of power, it's able to blend all types of items quickly. It's a beautiful and versatile addition to the home of anyone who wants to eat and drink healthier. The 6-blade assembly allows you to crush swiftly and blends ingredients into smooth drinks, dips, and dressings. The single built-in features of the blender enable individuals to make milkshakes, frappes, and other blended refreshments. This professional blender includes the perfect wattage to crush ice in just a matter of seconds. Up next on the list, we have the NutriBullet NBR 1201 blender. Its sharp blades and powerful 600-watt motor effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, liquids, and so much more into nutritious smoothies, simply and deliciously delivering key nutrients to your body. This 12-piece package includes one 24-ounce and two 18-ounce cups, and one of the 18-ounce cups has a handle. There are two lids to take the cups on the go, and two lip rings to cover the threaded edge, so you may drink directly from the cups. You can either press and release to pulse, or press and turn clockwise to lock and let the machine run. Meet the all-new Ninja BL770 blender. It comes with a generous 8-cup capacity. This food processor handles all of your chopping and dough making needs. The dough blade allows you to mix 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds effortlessly. Its total crushing technology delivers unbeatable professional power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies. Plus, the Ninja technology provides smooth, nutrient-rich beverages filled with vitamins and fiber. It comes with 2 small jars that are 16 ounces each. Unlike the pitcher, they have a base blade assembly that screws on like a lid. This blender is 17 inches tall, 7.5 inches wide, and 9.5 inches deep. The 1500-watt motor at the base powers the machine. You have 3 speeds to switch between 1 pulse function and 1 single-serve preset, which will also let you pulse, but at a speed that is appropriate for small jars. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Vitamix 5200 blender. This blender is 20.5 inches tall with the pitcher on, 7.3 inches wide, and 8.8 inches deep. The motor peaks around 1400 watts and works together with a premium stainless steel blade to turn your vegetables and fruits into silky beverages in a matter of seconds. It also features an overload safety function. If the blender runs for too long or is straining too much, the motor will shut down automatically to prevent circuit damage. The pitcher holds up to 64 ounces and sits on top of the motor base without twisting it on, so it's easy to place and remove. There's a spill-proof rubber lid that fits tightly onto the top of the pitcher. In the middle of the lid is a drop-in hole, so you can add ingredients mid-session. The hole also allows the tamper to go through and push the contents down when needed. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Please show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.